to New York. New York.
Yeah.
Hello.
Hello. We are here at Heathrow Airport.
Yep.
Flying out of here. It's going to be a bit of a different one, this one. I'm not too sure where the episode's going to go or anything, but we are
Going to New York for 3 nights for Christmas.
Yep, which is going to be bloody awesome. We are just in the Virgin
Clubhouse
Lounge, yeah, which is costing a fortune, but this is all sort of paid for from YouTube, and it's just sort of a joint thing between our birthdays.
Sort of, trip.
Yep. So we are flying upper class, which is going to be interesting. Like So says, it's once in a lifetime sort of thing. We have sort of come to the realisation as well we're going to have to work next year, so why not make it a good end of year, I guess. Bit of a celebration. But anyway, not too sure where this episode's going to go.
Yeah, let's do it.
Yep. And I want to say as well, I hope everyone had a bloody awesome Christmas and a happy New Year as well, I guess. Anyway, let's get into it. I guess we'll start by having a look around the Virgin Clubhouse. Seeing what we can see. This is all bloody fancy, especially for me coming from the country, but it's pretty cool. You know where you're going?
I'm taking you outside to see the planes.
Whoa! It's pretty cool, isn't it? Oh, go on then.
You can hold me.
Max weight 150 kilos.
Is that what it said? Who's in you?
Bye. Oh, there's more.
TV.
Oh, look, cricket's on. Oh, big bash too.
Go get breakfast.
Go get breakfast, come back and watch cricket.
Looks good. Lovely cheese sack of cake, okay? That's alright. Fabulous. Just a sack of left.
Thank you.
Okay.
How are you guys?
Yeah, just not awesome. Thank you.
Hi, welcome.
Well, this is alright, isn't it?
So she's taking these photos.
It's really important that you watch and understand it because together we're all responsible for safety on this flight. It helps explain the safety equipment and procedures of this particular aircraft and gives you an idea of what to do in an emergency. If you have any questions after watching it, ask one. Keep your seatbelt. If we land on water, take your life jacket from under your seat. Pull the tab to release it, then opens the bag and takes the jacket out.
How the other people live. They got fancy seatbelts, fancy screens, so much leg room. We're used to the economy right at the back, and it's all cramped up. This is bloody
Such a treat.
Yeah. You get used to this pretty quick.
Yeah, my bank account won't, mate.
Really is something else here. It's incredible. I mean, like I say, once in a lifetime sort of thing here, but I've got a bed that lays the whole way out, so much room, and I'm a tall bloke, I'm 6 foot something, but plenty of room, high def TV, 3-course meal. It's just, I'm blown away here. This is bloody incredible. Don't really know what to say, as you know, I'm a bit of a simpleton, but this is just incredible. Definitely a once in a lifetime thing. And I'll say the staff as well. The staff here in upper class are absolutely amazing. They're first name basis sort of thing. It's bloody incredible, mind blowing. Bit sort of shocked, bit in awe how the other people live, I think. Gobsmacked, absolutely gobsmacked. And I've been let off the chain as well, which is bloody awesome. So she said, let loose, drink as much as you can, try and get as much as we can out of this money. But this is just something else, something different. Sort of a different level of people, I guess, how the other people live. Second course, Christmas turkey. Can't get over these little salt and pepper shakers though. Around half an hour to go, but this has been a bloody wicked experience. Bloody incredible. And word is that it's -11 in New York, so it's going to be great. Thank you.
You too. Merry Christmas.
There's a warm heat coming up.
Oh, my legs are cold.
All arriving passengers super react to COVID testing. Pick it up right over here. The CDC is providing all arriving passengers with a free annual COVID test. Use the card for out.
You good?
Yeah, you.
We are here in New York.
-11, guys.
Oh, yeah. JFK. That's freezing.
What's that ice? Is it ice?
I don't know, but it is freezing.
We're not only transplanting kidneys, we're transforming lives at 2 of New Jersey's premier hospitals.
Liquor warehouse.
With a new kidney, I have strength, I have energy, and now I have this.
Macy. It's Macy's dad. Take over all that. Are we just calling out names?
Good afternoon, sir. Welcome to New York.
It's cold here.
That fire.
Oh mate, they've got heating on there. Who's sitting there for the blankets?
Good?
Yeah. Let me show you something.
Nice and warm in here as well.
Let me show you something. Look at this view. Empire State Building. We'll be up there in a minute. On the next episode.
Well, that is going to do us. We are in the hotel room. We are, well, we've been on a plane, what, 7 hours?
Yeah.
Something like that.
So quickly though.
Yeah. We're in freezing cold New York. It's minus
11.
11.
I think. Should I check?
Yeah, may as well. But we're going to end this video here. Checking out, I believe that's Empire State Building.
-9, real feel, -16 vibe. If you can see that. Yeah, it's just
Somewhere.
sorry.
But anyway, hope you enjoyed that little episode. It is sort of a once in a lifetime trip. Yeah, bucket list trip for you, for us.
Yeah, I hope it's not just for me. But yeah, Christmas in New York has always been a dream for me. So yeah.
Yep.
Pretty excited to be here. Landed on Christmas Day and I'm now sitting in my room looking at the Empire State Building. So yeah.
All right.
And the sun's out.
Hopefully it stays out. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I guess we'll see you on the next one where
We'll be up there.
yeah, we're going for a walk. We're going to check out the Empire State Building, and I guess whatever else we see around here. Anyway, Happy New Year to everyone again. I'll say it again, but thanks for watching. See you on the next one.
Thanks, guys. Why do you use your other hands?
Just let you relax.